In this program, Annual Pay, we're going to be focused on getting our money amounts to print to two decimal places the way that money does. There's a library function called set precision that will help us with this. To use set precision, you have to make sure that you include the IO_manip preprocessor directive, since we will be manipulating our input and output. There are a few ways you can lay out your code to use it. The way that you choose is part of your personal programming style. The only things you have to remember are to have the preprocessor, to type set precision, to add the number of decimals that you want, and to declare it as fixed. If you want to add some colors to your programs, you're welcome to experiment with this. So it's an escape sequence just like the new line escape sequence or the tab escape sequence. And you'll do the \033 square bracket. You'll put in a number and then the letter M and then your words. And to close everything out, you do \033 square bracket 0M, which zeroes out whatever numbers you've chosen. You can also combine codes if you want to do more than one at the same time by putting a semicolon in between the numbers in front of the M. In annual pay, suppose an employee gets paid every 2 weeks and earns $2,200 each pay period. In a year, the employee gets paid 26 times. Write a program that defines the following variables: pay amount. This variable holds the amount of pay the employee earns each pay period, so you're going to initialize it to $2,200. Pay periods. This variable holds the number of pay periods in a year, so it will be initialized to 26. And the annual pay. The annual pay variable will hold the employee's total annual pay, which you are going to calculate. The program should calculate the employee's total annual pay by multiplying the employee's pay amount by the number of pay periods in a year, and it should store the result in the annual pay variable. Final output should include all three variables. All dollar amounts must be displayed with exactly 2 decimal places. You need to use the best data types for all your variables, and output should be meaningful and formatted with blank lines and indentations. Don't forget full comments that are specific to the program and helpful to the person that's going to be reading your code. Have fun!